Today we're taking a look at the Ulanzi VL49 RGB Pocket LED, a compact RGB light designed for content creators, photographers, and videographers who need a portable lighting solution. Hi, I'm Azlan and welcome to Guide Station. I've been using the VL49 for a while now, and in this video, I'll show you what it can do, how easy it is to use, and whether it's worth adding to your gear bag. The first thing you'll notice is how compact this light is. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, but still powerful enough to make a noticeable difference in your videos and photos. Looking around the light, you'll find the LED panel on the front and the controls on the back. The display shows your brightness level, battery percentage, and color settings, making adjustments quick and easy. What really makes the VL49 stand out is its versatility. You can use it as a standard video light for interviews, live streams, product videos, and content creation, or switch over to RGB mode when you want to add some color and creativity to your shots. The RGB mode lets you choose from a wide range of colors, which is great for background lighting, accent lighting, or creating a specific mood in your videos. It's a simple way to make your content look more professional without investing in multiple lights. The VL49 also features adjustable color temperature, allowing you to switch between warm and cool tones depending on your environment. Whether you're filming indoors, outdoors, during the day or at night, having that flexibility is always useful. In terms of brightness, I was honestly surprised by how much output this little light provides. While it's not designed to replace a large studio light, it's more than capable of handling close-up shots, desk setups, product photography, and portable video shoots. Using the light is straightforward. The controls are responsive, the menu is easy to understand, and switching between different modes only takes a few seconds. Another thing I like is the built-in rechargeable battery. It charges through USB-C, which means you can charge it almost anywhere using a power bank, laptop, or phone charger. The battery life will also depend on how bright you're running the light. At maximum brightness, you'll naturally drain the battery faster than at lower settings. After using the VL49, what stands out most is the balance between portability and functionality. It's small enough to bring anywhere but offers enough features to be useful in a variety of shooting situations. As for downsides, the small size does mean it has limitations compared to larger professional lights. If you're lighting an entire room or a large subject, you'll probably need something more powerful. But for personal content creation and portable setups, it does a great job. So is the Ulanzi VL49 RGB Pocket LED worth it? It's a great option for content creators, photographers, videographers, live streamers, and anyone who wants a simple way to improve their lighting setup. If you're looking for a compact, affordable, and easy to use RGB light, I think it's a solid option. It offers good brightness, adjustable color temperature, RGB lighting, and a portable design that makes it easy to carry wherever you go. If this looks like a good fit for your setup, you can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.